Hello everyone, this is Frida Flower from the Wellness Garden, and today we're going to talk about lemon verbena. So lemon verbena actually is originally from South America, but is very popular in many places. Lemon verbena can be located in many places due to its herbal and medicinal properties. Lemon verbena grows in a shrub, as you guys can see here in the back, that it can be 1 to 2 meters tall. So if you want to plant lemon verbena in your home, you need to make sure that you have plenty of space. I would recommend that you actually use a big pot or a big container where lemon verbena can thrive just by itself. Lemon verbena produces this beautiful and very unique scent. It smells like citrus, hence the name lemon verbena. Lemon verbena is traditionally consumed with tea. It has many beneficial properties for our health. 1, it's really good for inflammation, and 2, it is really good for stomach cramps. Enjoy!